Hi, this is Linda Austin. I just wanted to show you how to use StatCrunch. It's a pretty neat little program. I'm on a Mac, which is a little bit different, but it would work the same way on Mac or PC. So it looks a little bit different, but it's the same thing. When you're given a problem, this is problem number 4 on section 4.1. And so they talk about linear regression here. So basically what you want to do is you want to click on this icon right here that gives you your data. You see this little data table pops up. And then what you can do is you click on this little icon right here. It kind of looks like one rectangle sitting on top of another. And you're given a whole bunch of different ways of doing the data. If you open in StatCrunch, it'll pop right up with StatCrunch. But because I'm on a Mac, I have to do it a little bit differently. So I make a space-delimited copy, and this actually copies it onto the clipboard in memory. And then when I'm done with that, I close that up. And I'm going to go over to my StatCrunch. Let's just say it's not there. So I'm just going to search for the StatCrunch mobile. And it's going to find it right here. Bring it up. You can see it looks like an Excel spreadsheet. So what I want to do is I want to bring that data into the spreadsheet from my memory. So I click on data and I click on load data here and I say from paste. Then I'm going to go ahead and paste it in here. And notice white space is my delimiter because that's what I use to save it. I'm going to click on load data and there it is. So here's my data from that chart. Now what I want to do is I want to find out some information about that. So if I click on stat, you can see the regression is right here. So I click on regression, simple linear. My x value is going to be variable 1. Then I'm just going to go ahead and compute. I need a y variable. So my total length is my y variable. I'm going to go ahead and compute. And you can see it has all this information. And one of the things is the correlation coefficient, which is one of the things they ask for in the problems. We have all this other information here. And they also create a chart for you. So here is a chart of that information. So you can see that if you look at all this stuff, it does a lot of the math for you. So you can get all the information you need for the answers to the problems right here. I hope this kind of helps as you work your way through the problems. Don't be afraid to use StatCrunch. It really is very, very useful. So you should learn how to use it. If I close this, let's just go look at some of the other options. You see it has all the different statistics, variance, different kinds of regression, different kinds of calculators, all kinds of stuff here for use. So don't be afraid to use it. It's very useful, and I hope this helped you out. Thanks, and we'll talk to you next time.